everyone, it's me Zubi Imran, your health and wellness coach from Slim Trim Lifestyle. So if you feel that you have any kind of health issues regarding your skin, hair, gut health and your weight, then you can consult us. We can provide you the complete help in different countries like Europe, America, Canada, Australia. We will provide you the complete program of weight loss, hair loss, skin troubles and gut health problems. So guys, this is so important to know about different supplements what we are offering. We are giving collagen for skins. Collagen, you know, the very important extract and very important element for your bones, skin and your hair. We are providing a right knowledge that how you can use collagen, which collagen is right for you, which supplement is good for your weight loss, how you can cure your hair, skin and nails by using some nice and special remedies, recipes and supplements. So never go on a wrong way, because some people they just buy from the druggery stores. They just get different medicines and capsules and tablets. They are all not good for your health, because you are not aware of all the elements and all the uh, particular particles of the medicines and tablets and capsules. This is very important to get a right product, a right way how you can solve these kind of problems. We are providing you the right knowledge that how you can use collagen, how you can lose weight, how you can get back all your lost hair, how you can take care of your skin and how you can maintain your health, because health is everything. If you are healthy, if you are working and doing everything actively, then you have to concentrate that your health must be perfect. So you can get all the informations from us. You can contact us. We will provide you the complete knowledge that how you can cure your hair, skin, nails and your gut health, how you can move actively in your life, because health is everything. Guys, this is not every time nice to run to the doctor when you are getting problems. You should take care of your health, your internal systems, that your functionality must be in accurate way. You know what? Life is so demanding. You cannot compromise on your health. You have to fulfill all the responsibilities of life. That's why your health should be completely accurate. Your inner body system should be work properly. So we will provide you the right knowledge that how you can cure yourself, how you can meet the standards of life. Life is a very precious thing for everyone, especially your loved ones who need you. So you take care of your health, you take care of your daily routines, you take care of your food. For any kind of consultancy, you can contact us and we are here to provide you help and right knowledge. Life is so demanding nowadays. We have to fulfill all the responsibilities. We have to meet standards of life. We have to run faster more than other people. So if you are not healthy, then you cannot meet all the standards. You cannot compete the things of life. So we are helping you to become a healthy person of life. So if you are interested, be our clients. You get the ideas that what we are doing exactly for weight loss, hair loss, skin care, hair care and gut health. If you want to get to know more about our work, in which countries we are providing these consultancy, you can ask anytime. So guys, health is precious gift of God. Take care of that. If you are not healthy, you cannot meet the standards of life. Have you heard that why God has granted you the life? Life is the name of performance. Life is the name of moving on. Life is the name of being healthy and being a positive person in this world. We should do the right things on right time. Your health is everything. Keep one thing in your minds, that your health is for your loved ones. So keep concerned and be aware of your health. Whatever you have the problem, you should go for the solution. So guys, I will bring something more interesting and more useful information for the next session, and we will talk about something interesting in the next video. Keep in touch and give your feedback in my comment box. We are having queries and questions from all over the world that how we are providing these kind of consultancy to the people. So this is not nice thing that you have to go to doctor all the time. Your regular checkups, they are very good thing, but your care is the most important thing for your daily routine or for your life. So be aware that how you can take care of your health, how you can take care of your skin, hair, nails, your gut health, and your weight, because fats are not so good whether they are on the surface of the food or surface of your bodies. So guys, I'll bring some more informative session for you, and we will talk about some other problems. So till then, you take care. Goodbye.